Hi everyone and welcome to DIY with Nadia. Today I'm going to share a few things I got on Amazon for crafting. Stay tuned. This video is in collaboration of a challenge that's called Sunday Funday, and it is being hosted by Ginger Chick Rehab and Deco Easy. I will link their channels down below. Please check them out along with a playlist of all the other participants in this challenge. So this haul came from me not feeling well last week. If you watch my channel regularly, I had literally no videos last week, and that's because I was really not feeling well. And what better therapy than a little bit of shopping on Amazon? Oops. Anyway, you guys, let's see what I got. So the first thing I got was a USB drive or UHS card, whatever that is. It's just a memory thing for my phone to record videos. The next thing I got were some glue sticks. And I thought these were a great deal. So before we go on, I will put all of the links for all of the items that I got in the description box in case you guys are interested. But I do shop around. I do like, prices are important to me. So the things that I got, I felt like it was worth buying. Anyway, so these are the really thick and long glue sticks. So I got a box of those, or container of those, or a bag of those, whatever you want to say. The next thing I got was were these wooden blocks. I'm not fortunate enough to have a saw where I can just, go to the woods, grab some, and cut them up. So I have to buy mine. I did get some, it looks like kind of like baker's twine. It's orange and white. And let's see. Oh, and I got a simple one like this. Some jute twine. And then I think there's 20 in here or something of these. And I thought to make ornaments with these, they already have the little hole, which is nice. And then it's just these wooden little rings. And there's a whole bunch of them in there. As you can see, I think this was a container of 20. I just think these are perfect because this year I'm doing country Christmas, and these are just perfect if you like, farmhouse or country style. These would be really great for Christmas. The next thing I got were these, and these are just corks for wine bottles, and I got them. I have ideas for wreaths. And I've just been kind of looking around. These are not the cheapest, so obviously I'm going to link the link for this down in the description box. But if you collect these, then stay tuned. It's just I don't drink wine really, so I needed to buy these. So it's just corkscrews, and this is the best price I found for them because they're kind of pricey. I was surprised, to tell you the truth, at the prices that these were at, but what are you gonna do? It's cheaper than buying, 150 or something bottles of wine. So then I got some of these. Look at this, you guys. These are felt, and oh my goodness, look at the stack. Just look at the stack of colors. I like using these once in a while in different projects, and sometimes you need a particular color. So yeah, that is why I have these. If I'm doing a project that I know where I will be using a lot of red, I'll go and get the big sheet. But these are going to be my backups in case I need to, put a center in a flower and I need this specific yellow or, this elegant little pink. And so basically that's why I got these, is because of that. And I think I found a really nice deal and I got them. So the next thing is these wooden pieces. Yami from Latina Next Door did this gorgeous DIY. I'll link it down below. With these little pieces, and that's what inspired me to get them. So I don't know what I'll be making with them, but look at this. Aren't these just the prettiest? And it's just, the possibilities are endless, obviously. Then I got something cute. I could not help it, you guys. I could not help it. I don't even remember the cost. I just wanted them. So they're, I know, lots of noise. They're these wreaths. So I just wanted to show you the container. The bag they came in is so loud. So loud. But you guys, look at these. They're little mini wreaths. Oh my goodness. Like, look at them. Oh, how adorable are these? I'm just like, when I saw them, I was like, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I need them. I need them. Oh my goodness. So excited about them. Can't you just see me doing one video and just decorating the living daylights out of as many of these as I can? I'm just saying. I'm just saying. How adorable. Too cute. And you can make it as simple and as complicated as you want. So that's awesome. And for my last item, yeah. I looked around, made sure that this was my last item. I'm a little nervous about this item. I've never used this item and I want to use it so bad. Okay. No more suspense, you guys. It is the wood burning tool. And, you know, I'm not somebody who knows wood burning. And so I will be learning along with you guys, but I cannot wait to get started. I don't think it's that complicated. It does come with a few different tips. And then there's a, I saw a tip somewhere in here, and there's like the main tip is like right in there. So this is what it looks like. And obviously when I'll be using this, no furry friends allowed, like this one sleeping over here. You want to say hi to everyone? Oh, he's so cozy and warm. He's going to be like, why, Mom? Why did you touch me? Leo, don't you just want to say hi to everyone? I'll give you a treat. I promise. He's just so cuddly. When he does this, don't worry about it. He doesn't, like, his claws don't come out. He's just like, Mom, leave me alone, please. Leo, just sit for a while. Just sit for a while. Okay, so yeah, definitely no furry friends in the room for that. Nope. And that's gonna be a problem because as you see, this cat does not leave my side. But we will try to do our best because I really want to do some projects with this. Well, you guys, what do you think of this haul? And what would you have bought? Or maybe nothing at all? Let me know down below. And I absolutely am excited about trying this wood burning tool and also these tiny wreaths. I still cannot get over the cuteness. They're just so adorable. So adorable. Alrighty, for the announcement that I promised in the title. So, starting next week, every Wednesday is going to be Wreath Wednesday. I will be making a wreath every Wednesday, and I'm going to try to make them simple for everyone to be able to do. I will be doing one wreath a video unless they're really simple. Then I might do 3 or 2. Like if they're really simple, kind of like scarf around the wreath kind of thing and decorated in a unique way. But for most of the wreaths, it's going to be 1 wreath per video, so I can take my time and explain everything to you and, you know, just make it very relaxing and fun for everyone. So I'm very excited to get my Wreath Wednesday series started. And if you guys are going to be liking it, I will continue doing it. Simple as that. And that is it for this haul. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know about what you think about my Wreath Wednesday and if you're interested and what type of wreaths would you guys want to see, because I do decoupage, I do all kinds of wreaths. So let me know down below so it kind of gives me an idea of what to get for you guys and what to show you. With that being said, have a beautiful day. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending some time with me. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah. Bye. Does Leo want to say bye? All right, let's get Leo up here to say bye to everyone. Leo, say bye. He's like, are you going to stop picking me up? No, I'm not. Get that paw down. There you go. See? He loves me. He does. Don't you love Mom? Don't you love mom? No. I'm gonna cry. My baby doesn't love me. Nah, he loves me. He picked me as a human. Oh, he loves me. He just gets a little annoyed with mom, but he loves me.